If you're in Facebook and accidentally deleted a story and now you want to recover it, this tutorial review will show you how you can recover your deleted stories in Facebook. Open your Facebook and tap on your profile menu. Tap on this gear icon at the top right. And here scroll down until you find download your information option. So tap on that. Tap on deselect all. And you have to select only stories from here. And then select a date range. Select format HTML, media quality high, and tap on create file. And now Facebook will send you an email with your deleted Facebook stories, and that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.